an update coming in from the Washington, D.C. siege that was reported in the Capitol Hill building, where the FBI has released photos of those involved in the riots, where the top agency is also seeking information to help people identify those individuals who unlawfully entered the U.S. Capitol building on the 6th of January. Quickly going across to Piyush for more updates on this, because Piyush, already the pictures that they have released, many of those arrests that have taken place, several of them are also high-profile arrests. But looking at the sheer number of the mob that barged in the building, the arrest could likely go up.
Well, absolutely, and the investigation has been stepped up by the agencies there, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation has released photos of those involved in the riots in the U.S. Capitol Hill. Remember that we had seen that how there was an attempt to stop the U.S. Congress from ratifying the Electoral College vote, which would confirm the Biden's victory over Trump. And after that, the Trump supporters had also barged into Capitol building, and now the federal agency, Federal Bureau of Investigation, has released photos. They've also, sought information to help identify individuals who unlawfully entered the U.S. Capitol on January 6 and assaulted federal law enforcement personnel. In fact, a statement has also been released by FBI, and I quote the statement which has been released by FBI on Twitter: "The FBI is seeking information to help identify individuals who unlawfully entered the U.S. Capitol building on January 6 and assaulted."
Right, and the website is being constantly updated with other pictures, because this is a statement that the FBI is also appealing to the people to submit tips if they recognize anybody, as the pictures constantly are being updated on the FBI website. Thanks very much, Piyush, for joining us.